Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rosetta here, and in today's video I'm going to show how I created this cute planter. I'm so much in love with this. This planter instantly elevates the look of the plant and also the space where it is placed. So without any further delay, let's begin. Alright, so for this project we would need a tin can, and then I'm using a white acrylic color to give a base coat to this can. With a sponge in dabbing motions, I'm applying the color all over the can. You can use any white base color. This is a Pinterest inspired DIY to which I have added some creativity, and I love the way it turned out. Now once the base coat is done, let it dry completely. Now pick a color as per your preference and then apply it over the base coat. These cans have very sharp edges, guys, so be very careful when you're working with this, and also be careful when you're using these cans. Now once the second coat has also dried completely, I'm applying one more layer to give a better finish, and for this final layer I'm using a brush. If you guys like watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates of all my latest videos. Now this is how it looks once the final coat has dried. And now I'm taking this yellow acrylic color and I will use this color to create some cute and tiny flowers. You can draw any pattern that you desire, but I like these cute flowers. It looks so beautiful when they come together. Now this is going to take some time, guys, but do not worry. Just enjoy what you're doing, and trust me, you will experience that joy once you finish creating something of your own. Now let me show you how it looks when it is completely filled with these beautiful flowers. And here it is. Isn't it looking amazing? What do you think about these flowers? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to paint the borders at the top and also at the bottom. And for the borders, I'm using a very thin brush because I need more control to do this work. Now let's quickly finish coloring the borders. And this is how it looks once it is completely painted. Let it dry properly. Now let's move on to the final step of this project, and for that I'm using such wooden pieces. These pieces are really rough, and so I'm wearing a pair of cut resistant gloves. And I'm gonna stick these pieces to the can. Apply strong glue and attach it at the bottom of the can. Press it for some time and let the glue dry so that it sticks really well. This will be a stand for the can and it will give it a height which will make it look really beautiful. I have used 3 wooden pieces which is enough for this size of can. And now let's see the final reveal. Add your favorite plant and enjoy the beauty of this planter. I like it so much. Let me know how you guys liked it. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you recreate this, don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed below. Please subscribe to my channel guys if you haven't done yet. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye guys.